So today me and Sideways staff are going to recreate one of the oldest on Roblox, Natural Disasters. But we will have only 1 hour to make it, so yeah. And first we will have to check that game, how it all looks and works. So yeah, you will see some gameplay on the start and then you will see us making the actual game.
Let's go.
So I'm prisoner now. That's cool. Okay, so I'm stuck. Oh, never mind. The door's opened.
This is the COVID map. This I remember it's like in the middle of COVID I played this game and they added this like virus was it virus disaster when like in the middle of COVID.
This guy lost his hand.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, that's actually I don't even know how much money do you make off those actually? The ad boards, like.
What do you mean?
Oh wait, so you know like, you know those things that give you ads? Yeah, the ad UI. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they, I watched a video on it and I'm pretty sure they give you like payouts every time someone looks at them. So.
But you can't just do that. You have to. I don't know how I would say that.
And I've
There
had.
are requirements for you to be able to put the ads in your game.
Well, I was able to do ads in my game before. I mean, I never released the game, but they're pretty simple. Split. Oh, that did not.
Way too easy. I don't know how some players thought and do this. So we have played the game a little bit, and now we are going to studio, and you can watch us making the game, and then see how it turned out.
Okay, right, studio. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna make the map. Right. Okay, so it turns out I'm making the lobby. Right. I'll make the lobby. So first of all, if I were to make a lobby, what would it be? So first of all, let's do this model. So we're naming this lobby. Bro's made a map template. I don't use folders. I know, very shocking, but I put everything in lobbies. I don't know why. Don't ask. Not lobbies, models. Lobby model, whatever, same thing. Okay, right. So I'm going to make. I'm assuming he's using my character as a template thing. So I'm gonna place a new character template character thingy character. And yeah. What was I doing? Oh right, yeah, right. I was adding my character in the character thingy with Jiggy. Okay, so we need to be able to see the map. So we're gonna move this all the way down here, because we all know you want to see the maps and stuff. Like, what kind of game would it be if you couldn't see everyone being absolutely demolished? You know, when you're just waiting for the next round. So like, so let's just say we need like really expert design in here, right? We need to think really hard here. So like, think I'm an engineer, right? Just pretend that, and like you want to see your friends being absolutely having fun. If you were looking down here, I think that's fine. So first I'm gonna make it like I'm gonna make I don't know what layout I'm gonna make it first. I'm gonna make it square. Not good at. How many players there's gonna be in this game? I'm assuming 50 with the default Roblox server size. I only got rid of the map. Okay, no, we didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna make it like this. If I were to, I want to make it facility based, so like, you know, you're inside a facility. You know, let's give me all my ideas right now, you know, just right here. Okay, so I want it to be like in a facility, like kind of area, lobby. So like, not like old facility, creepy area crap. I mean like, just like facility, you know. Yeah, it's just like, I don't know why, just yeah. So I'm gonna do, if I were to make my own Natural Disaster games, I know we're doing this 2-player, like, so I can't really, you know, stop what he's doing, but like, if I were to do it, my own Natural Disaster game, I would make it that you're just experimenting and you're like, it's in a giant box cube, there's like this like facility thing, and I'm, oh, and I have to make a base. Yep. So I don't know if I'm supposed to move this. I'm gonna move this under, and if we have any problems, I'm wasting time here. I've just realized that the spawns are there. So in my opinion, I'd prefer if you spawn in the middle. No lobby needs to be so big, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna make an elevator kind of thing going up to here. This is just like for now. I'll do it later. Better never. Right, so from how I know, I'm not that good at tweening, but I'll find a way. So okay, there we go. If I play, it may be a bit of cheating here, maybe, possibly, but let me just go into an old Roblox game. Just copy the code. Alright, my games, group games, and we just want to go to this one. Oh my god, this is the world's laggiest game. What the? No, it's not working, and I only have, you know, screw this. Screw it. I'll just do stairs. I'll literally just do stairs. No, delete. No, what am I doing? Delete. Okay, right. We only have a certain amount of time, so I'm just gonna do stairs. Or I can do a teleporter, actually, that'll be better. Right, we got a teleport script. Bro's actually working pretty hard. Oh damn, I'm actually screwed. I've not done much. But I need time to think, like, bro's moving a bit too close. Crap, I forgot to put this in the lobby. Okay, right, so we got okay, right, we're fine for now, just as long as these are anchored, and that is anchored too. So now if we play, Yes, it is. Do not do this. Don't do this to me. You know what? Teleporter is... It's not. I'm an idiot. Game.workspace. Dot lobby. Come on, we don't have much time. I can type. Was I gonna be typing this? I don't even know. Alright. Right, there we go. Let's just see what he's doing. I'm just kind of curious. Oh my god. Random map equals map style. Right. I don't know if I understand any of this, but you know. Yeah. Okay, right. So, what was I doing? Keep that. I'm just gonna get the modeling sorted. Okay, right, I finished the lobby. Now time to do whatever in the world this is. Map. Like, 4 different maps combined into one. Let's go.
Okay, so now we are in Roblox Studio and I will be making the main game script because Sideway doesn't know how to script. So I will make a folder for the map and let's rename it to like map template, and let's insert a, I don't know, part I guess, and we will make it that, and that part will be the map base, and I see there a dummy, so we can scale it. I will give it a green color and create, and then add spawns folder. So folder spawns, and let's insert some parts. Let's rename it to spawn, and let's cast shadow off. Let's change it to neon, and the color will be red, and the size will be 1 on all axes, and we can put it there, and we can basically duplicate it as much as we want, but we will also make a script that will make them invisible. So invisible for I v in script.parent get children do if v is a base part, then v dot transparency equals to 1, and that's this. Now we can go to replicated storage and create a folder. Let's rename it to maps, and we will have that map in there. Well, let's put it in the workspace now. Let's also have a folder for the map, so map, and let's delete the base plate. I will also make a folder for the lobby. We will rename it to base and paste it into the lobby. And I will also duplicate and paste these spawns there. And we will change their class name, so plugins, and I have this plugin called reclass, and we will change them to spawn location. Yeah, and they are here. So we have this map. Let's go to server script service, insert a script, and we will name it main game script. And this will be a while loop, so while wait do. We will create a folder, and this folder will be called game info. There we will have a string value, and this string value will be called state, and the state will be game start or server load, and it will basically be a server load. So every time the game starts or the save will start, it will be a server load state. And let's create some variables. Let's also insert a number value, and this number value will be, how could we call that? Let's call it gameplay time, and let's set it to, I don't know, 10. Local game stats or game info equals to game.workspace wait for child game info local state equals to game info dot state local gameplay plan local gameplay time equals to game info dot gameplay time, and I think that's it. Let's also set some variables for how long we want the game to last and stuff like that. So local intermission, so local intermission time equals to, I don't know, 10 seconds. And Roblox did that thing, so the AI is pretty smart. Oh, so we will have to have different gameplay times. So this will be load server load time. This will be intermission time. And this will be gameplay time. Let's create another folder for our playing players. So playing players local play players equals to game info dot playing players object value comma game playing players player card dot value equals to player or v, and player card dot name equals to v dot name. And let's test it real quick. So I don't know what is this, but let's check the console. Incomplete statement expected, assignment or function to call. But we do have an error there. Value is not valid member of object value. Oh, there. Value. Yeah, so the intermission is there. And when it reaches 0, we should change the state to playing and we should have... oh shit. Well, that's not what was supposed to happen. Yeah, I know why. I can't put this there. I need to put this there. So, like this. And let's test it now. So the state is server load time should be disappearing. Yes, now the state is intermission time is decreasing, and when it gets to 0, we should go to playing state. Yes, intermission time should be 0, gameplay time should be 120, and there is a object value with my character. We also need to select a random map, so local, let's do this. Local random map number, and we will have 3 maps. Map template. I didn't want to insert a script. Map template 1. This will be 2. And 3. And let's quickly change the colors a little bit so I can see that it's different. And where is our lobby? There. And let's put all of these maps into the maps folder, which is in replicated storage. Main game script and the map number. Let's also do local map folder equals to game info, no game info, but we should put it into game info, equals to game info dot map. And let's set it to, I don't know, 15 for now, or let's set it to 10 so we don't like wait 2 minutes for it to test it. So game info, state, intermission time 2, and we have an error. 2 is not valid member. Okay, easy fix. Get children, random map. Now we can test it, and now it should work. So game info, states, intermission time 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Another error. Of course, I have capital L there. And we are slowly running out of time. We are in the half of it, so we have Only 30 minutes left now. State, intermission time, 0. Another error. I'm starting to get mad. Edit with parent, random map, number, of course, map folder. Please work now. I hope I didn't make any stupid mistakes now, because we still have pretty much work to do. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, it selected a random map. It added me there. The intermission, the game time is not decreasing and the state is playing. But the game time is not decreasing. Why? Oh, I set it to minus equals to 0, but we need 1. Or I mean, and then we will also have just one spawn in the lobby. Let's copy this, paste it in there. V dot if v dot character, then v dot character. We can just copy this. Game dot workspace dot lobby dot spawn dot cframe, and let's test it. So now we are in intermission. Let's go to server real quick and let's speed it up. Well, yeah, it teleported me, the map is there. Game time, it gave me 1 win, that's good, but we have error, character is not valid member of object value. If v dot value, wait, we don't need it there. Let's test it. So game info, state, intermission time 13. Let's go to server, intermission time, set it to 1. We have been teleported, the state is playing, game time ends in 3, 2, 1, and we have 1 win. The state is playing. Okay, so the game ends but starts right after that. Playing, then it's decreasing, but if it's 0, the state is game end. Oh, I know why. Intermission time dot value equals to intermission time. Game info, state, intermission time 7. I don't think I can make it in time. No, I will help. We are in the game. We are in playing players there. Gameplay time 3, 2, 1. We are no longer in playing players. The state is intermission and we are again there. I can set it to 1. We got teleported again. The game is running again after it stops. We have another win and we are in lobby again, and just like that. So we need to import the thing, the disasters now. Map template 1, map template 3. Let's insert a part. I will be using the zone plus thing. It will just be a basic part. Let's color it, cast shadow off on blue and transparency 0.5. Just like this. And I think we won't be doing more than this, so random disaster, where is it? 1, 1. We can keep these two because it won't happen, so I don't need to delete that. And let's call it flat. Let's insert a tween script. So the time has ended, but I should already have it done. Sideways stuff had to leave, so he will have 5 more minutes after he comes back, and then we will show the final product with the maps, hopefully. But for now, let's just test the game if it works. Intermission time. Let me go to the server, and then it writes back. So yeah, the game doesn't have like, so it's not buggy, it's just it teleported me and I jumped into the void. So I will just fix these bugs later, and then we will show the final game. So yeah, so we are officially at the end of this challenge, and as you could see, we didn't make a lot. We have just one game mode and one map, which is this one, and it always spawns you in the center, or I guess this is not really the center, but yeah, it spawns you on the same position every time. So yeah, this game mode and this map is the only map and game mode you could get there, and I think I don't really have to say anything else. You can see it by yourself. There's not a lot to talk about. I would say we didn't do a great job. We could do a lot more in this 1 hour, but yeah, this was the first time when we did something like this together. Maybe we will do something like this in the future and it will turn out better, but yeah, this is all we managed to do this time. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you would like more videos like this. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.